Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. Today we're covering the beautiful yet simple square kumihimo braid. To do our braid, we're going to need a kumihimo plate as well as 4 cords. When it comes to cord usage, the braid eats up about a third of the length of your ends. So, if each of your ends is 3 feet long, the end result is going to be a braid 2 feet long. There are various ways of setting up your kumihimo plate for the square braid. No way is wrong or right, what matters is that it works. So here is how I do it. I grab my first cord, fold it in half. I place the middle point of my cord to the center of the plate, then set up my 2 ends diagonally. I rotate, grab my second cord, again fold it in half, place the middle point to the center of the plate, and set up my 2 ends diagonally just like before. I rotate again, grab my third cord, fold it in half, place the middle point to the center of the plate, set up the 2 ends diagonally, rotate, grab your final cord, fold it in half, place the middle point to the center of the plate, and set up the 2 ends diagonally like before here. Rotate your plate. We are ready to begin braiding. Instead of narrating the braiding process, let me just show you, so follow along doing as I do. The process is intuitive and quite easy once you get used to it. So after a bit of braiding, you can already see the pattern forming. And here is how you do the 4-color version of the square kumihimo braid. We have 4 cords, 1 in each color. Grab your first cord, fold it in half, place the middle point to the center of your plate, hug the 2 ends into the slots at the top. Grab your next cord, feed one end through the bite, even out the 2 ends. Place the 2 ends into the slots at the bottom. Grab your third cord, feed the 2 ends through the openings, like this, even out your 2 ends. Place the ends into the slots on the side. Grab your last remaining cord, feed the 2 ends through the openings, even out your 2 ends, place the ends into the slots on the side. So this is our setup, now for the braiding process. The braiding process for the 4-color version is exactly the same as with our basic 2-color variant. Again, simply follow my moves and do as I do. After a short while of braiding, your pattern is going to start to show. So guys, this concludes our tutorial on the square kumihimo braid. An excellent looking braid for making dog leashes, keychains, bracelets, all sorts of projects. Thank you for joining me and see ya next time.